Hey, fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, I am going to talk about Shensea's new look. Do you think this look is a yay or nay? Let me know in the comment section. Here is what I think. I think this look gives Shenseea a body look, or what we Jamaicans would say, it have a buzz. The Jamaican singer has been seen sporting this new look at a number of events and photo shoots. I personally think it gives her a unique look, and you can see that it brings out her self-confidence. Let's see how long she will be sporting this look for. Wanna know who fixed Shensea's teeth? Here is a clip of Shenseea showing her dentist to us.
So you guys have been asking where I got my teeth done. This is my dentist.
Hi guys.
Dr. Sam Sally. Fire. Cheese. Y'all gonna wanna see a movie? We gonna see a movie? Y'all wanna eat some popcorn and some nutty buddy?
Wife.
You want nutty buddy ice cream?
No, so that. No, not the body.
You didn't get nut pan it up.
Did you eat that? Of course, I'm yummy. She called it some other. What she called? She called it another name yet.
I am gonna end this video right here, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Peace, I'm out.